Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys have already read from the title, today's video is going to be on a DIY on how to create your own mugs by creating different designs on them if they're super plain. Also, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss a post. Now let's get back to the video. In order to make this DIY, the three main things that you'll need is of course mugs, any color of your own choice, and also alcohol with some cotton pads, alcohol to clean the surface of the mugs, and make sure that you're using cotton when you're wiping them off. And also guys, make sure that you're using oil-based markers to do this DIY. The next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be creating a design on them. Feel free to make whatever design you guys want to make. It is all up to you on what kind of design that you want to make on your mug. On this one, I think a Minnie Mouse little cartoon on a mug would be really cute. I saw something similar to this in Pinterest, and it was honestly really cute, so I'm just trying my best to make Minnie Mouse right now, so hopefully it does really look like her. These are the final looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, before that, comment down below, let me know which one was your favorite among all 4 of these mugs, and also like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for lots more other fun videos. And also tag me if you guys do attempt to do this DIY. And also, I will see you guys next time. Take care, guys.